1, 2.
My palm goes to the ceiling.
Look at our watch. 3 and 4, 5 and 6.
And just really try and speed those triples up.
Back to triple
So you're
step.
doing 3 steps to 2 beats of music. The hand is in between the 2 beats. Triple step, triple step. Yeah? We'll do that one more time. You guys can kill yours. Don't repeat it. She's got her camera. So we have left side pass for 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. 4. Walk, walk, triple step, triple step. Now his left side.
1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6.
And then the underarm turn or the right side pass, his right side. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. 4. Walk, walk, triple step, triple step. I have the exact same feet.
Feet 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. That's it.
Cool. Good job, everybody.
Good job. Good job. Good job. That was what it is.
So we started off with just a right side pass cutoff. Looks like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. To get that quick timing, you need to make sure you have a connection up top. We're holding our frame wide. Leads, you're holding your frame wide. On the and, leads,
Pull that left shoulder back to get her.
and 4, anchor step. There is nothing wrong with changing up the timing. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. If the song is fast, it's all fine.
Also, leaders, to help, instead of taking your step down the slot, it's fine if you cross 1, 2,
Cuts her off a little more.
cuts her off a little more, and it allows her not to travel so far. So if you cut her off, if you take her to a cross, you can catch her earlier, versus bringing her down here, she's got to travel farther. Okay.
We also want to make sure we're not leaving it progressive. You're cutting her off. You're
Watch
taking
my
it.
hand.
It's not going this way.
It's not going that way, it's going this way. Okay.
From there, we did a slingshot. So it's a left side pass. We have 1 wide, 2 settle, 3 up, 4. I do it. This is my tool, an underarm turn. He has walk, walk, triple step, anchor step. He has walk, walk, anchor. We'll do that to speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. He has 5, 6. I have 5 and 6. Anchor step, 7, 8. We then combined the two. We did 1, 2, 3, up, 4, 5, and 6. Anchor step. So 1, 2, 3, up, 4. Cut her off 5 and 6. Pull that shoulder back. Anchor step. Oh, then this is a little fancy hand flourish, but honestly, it helps you lead the wide a lot better. Okay, like until you can learn this, and it's a great lead. So we're doing speed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Anchor step. The other thing that this does is it really gets the follows and the leads to wait and go together. Okay? So what's happening is we're threading the needle up.
Connection is still here. Pressing.
I did equal and opposite.
Bring it straight up in the area.
Over to an over grip.
The high point is pretty much where she's in front of us. Over grip
But slide down
at the end.
to fingertips. We talked about all those. Some of these were leading a little odd. Like you're picking up a tray but wide. So to speed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. And again, this timing could also be changed. If you want to accelerate, decelerate. We can bounce out of this with a lot of energy, and then I fly out of this. But it all depends how much energy you have. If you want to keep that timing, you got to adjust the energy to make it that way. And yeah, it just follows. Make sure you're getting that equal and opposite pressure. On this, all of these spines are straight. We're not doing this. Okay? And if we do, we didn't talk about this too much, but if we do out and ins, no hip thrusts. I've seen it too many times. I had to mention it. We just
Shift it right back.
Yeah, we'll just shift off and back.
You can do a sugar tuck out.
Talk about different exits.
Different exits next time.
So that was it. Good job, guys.
Cool. Good job. Awesome.